Within Slingshot, you can take dashboards inside of here and turn them into ready-to-go, beautiful PowerPoint presentations. So I have this dashboard, and if I come up here to the overflow menu and I click export, I can choose PowerPoint. And basically what this export will do is it takes first a full screenshot of your dashboard and splits it up onto your PowerPoint slides. And then it will pull out each individual visualization onto its own slide, as you can see here. The little checkboxes are whether or not you want to include these slides within your export. So you can turn off like the full screenshot of your dashboard and just include the individual visuals if you want. As well as those options, you can also change the title of what's going to be on the slide, and you can add some notes within the description here. You can also annotate these right here so that when you've already performed your export, you have kind of like some different annotations and notes and things right within your slide. And then you can also add some branding. So you can put the author name, your company name. You can also add custom branding where you can pick like the main color that will export with your PowerPoint and add your logo as well. And those will appear on the slides that you export. And once you're ready with your export, you just come here to export to PowerPoint. And then once you go into your File Explorer, into where your PowerPoint exported, you can see the final product here with the annotations and the titles, as well as the branding and stuff that you added right into your PowerPoint. And now you can continue to add different things to this PowerPoint, but you have a really nice ready to go PowerPoint even from right here.